Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to view your lab results in MyChart. So first, open the MyChart app or website and sign into your account. Now from the main menu, look for test results, or a similar option. Tap it to view your available laboratory results. Then select a specific test to see the result details, reference ranges, and any information your healthcare provider has included. Now you need to keep in mind that some results may not appear immediately. Your healthcare organization may need to process and release them first. If you don't see a result you're expecting, then check again later or contact your healthcare provider. And remember, don't interpret an abnormal result on your own. If you have questions about what a result means, then discuss it with your healthcare professional. So that was how to view your lab results. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.